Black & Decker Spacemaker. Yep, that's exactly what it is. It is, in fact, a Spacemaker coffee machine. Interesting story. I've been kind of considering a Spacemaker coffee machine for the last week or so because I wanted to redo the little corner so-called kitchenette thing. I mean, I'm not getting rid of the Norelco because that still has plenty of life left. It's just that the shelf I want to put over the microwave, there's no room for the other coffee machine. And since I saw this on eBay, and this was one of the many that was available, well, this one didn't have any bids. Others had like 6 bids and ran at like $60, so very pricey. But I put my bid in on this one, and I decided, if I win, I win. If not, no big whoop. And I did win. First and only bidder. Woohoo! And yeah, this does have the clock on it. Water reservoir thing. Let's take a look at the back. You can barely make it out what it says. It says Black & Decker Incorporated, Charlotte, North Carolina. Automatic drip coffee maker. 1000 watts, 120 volts, 60 cycles. Yeah, I can see it right now, can you? Made in the USA. For household use only. So yeah, I'm sure this is going to last forever and ever. Forever! Of course, the label's a little bit worn off, but it says catalog number B3SDC2D. Warning, do not immerse in water, blah, 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 blah. And this one, it says, another quality Black & Decker Incorporated product assembled by Anna. So, yeah. Wow, back in the days when individuals put their own names on something to prove that it does work. Probably won't see that anymore. So, we're ready. Let's check this out and see what we can do. Because I need my coffee. Well, maybe it's a good thing I'm planning on retiring this Norelco coffee machine, because if you notice, part of the plug got melted, and the metal was probably scorched. I don't know how that happened. However, if you notice, the outlet right here, where the coffee machine was plugged in, it's all melted and stuff, so I don't know if I'm going to use that particular outlet. I mean, I can use the top one, but I think after this test is done, I'll probably shut everything down and look into buying a new power strip, because I don't know how long I had this one, but it's just about time for it to go. And I may look into like a high-end one with the that will cut off if there's a short. I don't know. Of course, now we have the coffee. I already took the lid off. Hello. I'm going to try and do this one-handed because, well, I'm holding the camera. Damn it. I really... okay, 2 scoops. Kellogg's Raisin Bran. Alright. Of course, one benefit about this, it's like you don't have to use the pot to pour the water in. So... this is going to take a while. I should look into a bigger faucet. Alright, I got the thing in, so we're ready. You've heard this all before. Here we go! And we'll see how long it takes. Oh, cool, pilot light. Awesome! I like how your fur's all in the wind. It's like, that's funny. Ugh. Ugh. Screw you. Ugh. Whatever. Hey, Mr. My buddy. ETA completed. About 7:53. And I put in about 7:44, so about 9-10 minutes. It's acceptable, but not great. I think I'll run some coffee cleaner through this later on and hopefully improve the brewing cycle. So now we'll see how this tastes. I mean, different coffee machines produce different coffee strengths or something. I can't say. Heaping. I'm probably going to need to work with it because with the Norelco it was 2 level scoops, which I have. This isn't the one, but you get the idea. I think it's a 1/8 of a cup. So 2 of these is perfect. So I'm going to have to work with the strength on this. But the way it looks, I think this will work out pretty good. And like I said, the Norelco, it had a good run. I mean, I'm not going to get rid of it. I may try and fix it up a bit because the cord is messed. The plug did get melted. But we'll see what happens about that. But this concludes this video of the Black & Decker Spacemaker coffee machine. I'll put the model number and stuff down below. Hoping everybody has a great day. I'm Esky. Thanks for watching. Comment box is open.